Praising, praising, praising the sun goes down. Loving, loving, loving in the morning, loving in the noon and sun. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my fellow students. There are moments in history when people stop asking for a change and begin demanding for it. After years of endless oppression and broken promises, the voice of an entire nation rose together as one. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, India gave the British Empire a message so clear and fearless that it echoed across the world. Quit India. And with it came three words that ignited the hearts of millions. Do or die. These words were not just a slogan. They were a pledge. A pledge that said that freedom was not a dream anymore. It was destiny that had to be claimed. The Britishers imprisoned many, but failed to imprison an idea whose time had come. Every leader that was arrested gave birth to another leader. Every sacrifice made another resolve stronger. The movement proved that no empire can win against the unity of the people of a nation. Today, we enjoy the freedom that our ancestors fought for. And it is our duty to value it and protect it through our love towards the nation, our character and integrity. Because our freedom didn't come as a gift to us. It was earned. It was earned through countless struggles. It was earned through countless sacrifices. Thank you.
Not elders.
Arun Asaf Ali was known as Grand Old Lady of the Moment as she hosted the flag for the first time in Gavalia Tank Maidan.
This was one of the first moments where women were serving as leaders, carrying secret messages and facing bullets.
The movement was direct response to the failure of the Cripps mission.
By the end of 1942, more than 60,000 people had been imprisoned.
For nearly 2 centuries, India was enslaved by the chains of human hatred in the form of imperialism. People were struggling. Their freedom had been taken away from them, and their motherland's resources were being drained. In the midst of the turmoil, one of the greatest persons in the human history gave the final ultimatum to the Britishers to quit India. He gave a mantra to the people.
Now the time came to do or die.
This great person is none other than Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. With this mantra and the principle of non-violence, his final battle against British tyranny began. Liquor shops were picketed. Indian soldiers refused to shoot fellow Indians. Local leaders had been organizing rallies and marches. Even though the Britishers tried their best, they were unable to suppress the movement, and the will of the moment never extinguished.
You go.
इनकलाब इनकलाब भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे
In the year 1945, the Second World War ended and the British weakened. The new Prime Minister was elected Clement Attlee, and he was the leader of this Labour Party. The Britishers took everything from India, and our Labour Party won there in the British Parliament. On 15 August 1947, our India got its independence from the imperialism chain and became an independent nation. A nation whom we call our motherland, a nation who gives us equality, fraternity, and
liberty, and a nation whose freedom we enjoy today.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
लहरान तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गंवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। हे मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दिवाली, वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली। थे धन्य जवान वो अपने, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जल तरंगा।